Tutorial for GMath. My name is John McGowan, and I had a great question from Kenneth Packard in New York about doing piecewise functions using the floor and ceiling symbols. So both of these are already available in GMath, but they're just not documented yet, and I will document them in the next distribution. What does that mean is I'll create some nice buttons to make it a little bit easier to do. So for instance, if I wanted to do a piecewise function, I literally type in piecewise and then the bracket. And then I need to put in each piece in its own separate curly braces. So if I want to do two pieces, I'll put two curly braces, and I'm going to put each of those inside of there. So if I wanted to do, like, for instance, like x squared when x is less than 0, that's what I have to put in there. I put x squared, comma, and then the domain restriction, x less than 0. If I wanted to say do 3x when x is greater than 0, I do 3x, comma, x greater than 0. And I could even do another one if I wanted to do, like, say, x greater than 0 and less than, sorry, if I want to do x greater than 0 and less than 2, I could do that and throw in a third one if I wanted and say maybe do negative x when x is greater than 2. And then curly braces. And so I need to put all of those in their own braces. So I put one in the beginning, one in the end, and then now when so I create my range, let's do x minimum -5, and let's go to 5 for my domain, and then let's make it a little smaller. We'll just go 0 to 3 on the y. Well, let's go 0 to like 5 on the y. And so if I preview that, it'll go through and it'll do those each 3 pieces. So you can see those 3 pieces. And I guess I should expand it up a little bit more for the negative x when x is greater than 2, because I need to put it kind of below there. So let's go like -5. And so that's how I can do my piecewise function. So you just separate the domain and put each of those functions in at the same time. Then you just click and you can insert them. So that's how you can do piecewise using ggraph. So now let's say I wanted to do the floor and ceiling. I go to create math expressions, and then to do so I have to put a left and a right. So if I want to do the left, say the ceiling function, I do just type LC, and then that creates the symbol, and then I do my curly braces, and whatever I put in there is going to be in there, let's say X, and then I end it by doing my /RC for the right ceiling, and that creates my ceiling. And if I just change the C to F on both of them, it creates the floor. So that's how I can use ceiling and floor. I'll make buttons for those and put them in the next distribution. And I'll make a little piecewise thing that button that you can click, and you can edit those in there. Hopefully that was helpful, and I appreciate the feedback. Thank you for the question, and I will put those in my next distribution. Thanks.